All right, guys, check it out. Just came in the other day. Oh, it's heavy. This is the Bike Master MX scissor lift. I got it off of Amazon. It's a maximum lift of 350 pounds with a height of 12 to 34 inches. Secures your bike with the hooks. It's got the safety bar, dual 2-inch locking heavy duty wheels. So I was looking at the Tusk scissor lift for the bike, and Tusk only goes up to 300 pounds. So I found this one off of Amazon. I will post a link on the description below, but we're gonna check it out. We're also gonna start getting back into this guy. I got the powder coated frame. I got some new swing arm bearings here. I got new pegs here. This is also the steering stem bearings. All right, guys. So here we go. I want to do a little review on this guy and compare it to the Tusk scissor lift, and I'll let you guys know. All right, so let's open this up. Let's see what we got. We got the instructions. Okay. All right, guys, so let's put these wheels on. Let's see what we got here. So these are kind of like keyed, so I could only go a certain way, which makes it easier. So as always, a little trick, don't tighten everything up first. You know, put the screws in and then tighten everything up, because the holes never line up when you do it tightening up first. just take the Allen wrench that comes with it and just hand tighten it. That's pretty tight, actually. Yeah, that's pretty tight. All right. These locks are pretty solid. There we go. So that's pretty cool. Now let me see where. Okay. So it looks like this guy goes in here. So that's to loosen up the tension. And you got this guy over here. This is the pedal. Yeah, so the hardest part, I guess, is just getting this stuff in there. It's not that hard, actually. It's just time consuming. Okay. And there's a locking bolt that goes in there. You gotta line up the holes. There we go. Okay. This guy here. This guy goes in there. All right, so there you have it, folks. Tighten this thing up. Then you pump. And then this bar here, I don't know, this looks a little bent, doesn't it? So that's not cool, but either way, that'll just go in here. And that's a little safety feature. And then the pegs, I guess I gotta put these guys on there. They go here. And then you got these hooks that'll just go onto the peg. So I'm gonna put that together and we'll be right back. Okay guys, here it is. So it's got a nice rubber topping here, and that kind of grips the frame, I guess, once you put it up there. You got the scissor lift. We got the wheels. I don't know if you can see this this coating. It's like I guess it's like a powder coating. I like it. It's very solid. Doesn't really rock. So here you have the pedal. Over here you got the release for the pressure on the bottle jack. Bike Master. So again, I'll put the description on the link below. But my thought is, so the Tusk Scissor lift is like 260 or something like that. I'll get the correct price, and I'll post it on the link. And I'm also gonna do a comparison, a side-by-side with the Tusk and this one from Bike Master. But this is only 150 bucks or something. So I know it's somewhere like around $100 cheaper. So I figured I would rather put those $100 into the bike than into this lift. And not only that, but this lift holds 50 pounds more, or it's rated for 350, whereas the Tusk lift is rated for only 300. So the KTM, when it's fully built without any fuel, it's a weight of about 250. And, you know, I'm planning on, you know, putting bags on it and everything like that. So oversized tank and everything. So I would like to have, you know, that extra 100 pounds of room. In this case, you know, 125 pounds of room on there, so that, you know, I could lift the bike fully loaded. And then this lift, you know, once I have the bike on there, looks like it'll go pretty high. So let me get that frame situated, and I'll be right back. So we're gonna put these, I bought these Turner pegs. They're wider. There's the part number. So I got these guys. We'll put it on the bike, and I'll show you how. These are not the old pegs. I don't know where I got these, but I'll do a side-by-side comparison with these as well, with the other pegs. So just so with these guys, using these guys, you can see how much wider it is. All right, I'll be right back, guys. Here's a side-by-side comparison. So I don't know if you guys remember from the previous videos, I labeled everything. So this is left. So this was the left peg here. And then this guy here was right. So this was the right peg. So here we can see, you know, you got, it's a little bit wider there. I don't know if you guys can tell, but either way, these are pretty heavy. These are aluminum, they're very light. So let's see what they look like on the bike. So here we go, folks. We got the new pegs on. So I'm gonna have to put like a little piece of wood in here. I didn't realize that the KTM has this, so the frame doesn't really sit on the lift. But I like it. It's nice and solid. I don't have to bend over that much when I'm working on the bike. So I'll keep you guys posted. Thanks for watching. Peace. Here it is, guys. Tusk Scissor lift. This is off of Amazon. You could also get it from Rocky Mountain ATV. But as you can see here, same exact thing. This one costs, let's see, $254. Yeah, $254. But it's the same exact thing. But the difference is that this one is rated for 50 pounds less than the one from Amazon that I purchased. But yeah, so there you have it, folks. I like the one I got. It's nice and sturdy, nice and solid. The material is not cheap, heavy duty. So let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like and subscribe.